Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka Kanhun Menteri Jaka Sorkar Jila haka khatlai tere ujile oraja pesan. Kala menjuri jing terwa ban IY arspa nyopulai point sapwe Akar Shaka Tnat jengok kai perthai. Yaki Jaka bempat Pyndonkam jangka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Kenang bante yaki Jaka jengok kai bat ban penmi syusyu yaka jingyo lum khajana naki kam jengok kai perthai. Menteri ka Sorkar Jila ba polling do ubolong ru uno ai ktien Jaka Sorkar. Ulethu ba ki Jaka ban shimwai dak Tnat jengok kai perthai kilong ka IB campus nadu Rishat sngi hadu kasnong nong sedir ka police station bat barok ki Jaka badan shalendat ke skul jong ka MEECL ka Jaka badan shadien ka NHRDC hadu NESAC ka Jaka ha block 5 bat hadau lenong lumpong deng ki badan barok arspa nyopulai point sapwe Akar.
The move to further enhance and upscale the tourism sector with the support of line departments. So today, I'm happy to share with you that in order to monetize the unutilized land of MEECL and its subsidiaries for development of tourism projects on lease and revenue sharing mode, the Cabinet today cleared the proposal whereby the Power Department through the MEECL has decided to part with 273.41 acres of land and lease them to the Department of Tourism. The areas include the existing IB campus, the land from Day Junction all along the dike, Rishatsgi up to Nongsdale village, police station and all the land behind the MEECL school, land behind HRDC up to Nisak, block 5 area and the Bording island, totaling 273.41 acres. This transfer of land from the Power Department to the Tourism Department will be as per government policy, which is first on a 60 years lease period, extendable by 30 years. And this will then be used for development of various tourism projects, which I will be briefing you from time to time.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.